Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
NHS advice on using cough syrup during pregnancy typically recommends consulting with your GP or midwife before taking any medication. It is generally advised to avoid cough syrups containing alcohol, codeine, or decongestants, as they can pose risks to the baby. Opt for honey and lemon in warm water as a natural remedy. Always check labels and seek professional medical advice to make informed, safe choices during pregnancy.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.